You are watching Kiddos World TV.
Food and drinks. Food and drinks are essential for our daily nourishment. Knowing food and drink words helps us enjoy what we eat and drink every day. Let's start. Grains and cereals. Grains. Grains are the seeds of grass-like plants grown for food. They can be eaten whole or ground into flour, providing energy and nutrients. Examples: wheat, rice, corn, barley, oats, quinoa, millet, rye, sorghum, buckwheat. Cereals. Cereals are specific types of grains that are processed and used primarily for food, especially breakfast foods. They can be whole grains or refined. Examples: oatmeal, cornflakes, wheat bran, granola, Cheerios, shredded wheat, muesli, puff rice, instant oatmeal. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits. Edible, naturally sweet plant products that are typically eaten raw and are often rich in vitamins and fiber. Apple, banana, orange, strawberry, mango, blueberry, grape, pineapple, watermelon, cherry. Vegetables. Edible parts of plants, including roots, stems, leaves, and flowers, often rich in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Carrot, broccoli, spinach, cucumber, tomato, onion, potato, sweet potato, bell pepper, zucchini. Dairy. Products made from milk, often rich in calcium, protein, and fats, used in various culinary dishes and drinks. Milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, cream, ice cream, cottage cheese, sour cream, whipped cream, kefir. Meat and poultry. Edible animal flesh from livestock or birds, which provides protein, fats, and various essential nutrients. Chicken, beef, pork, lamb, turkey, bacon, sausage, ham, duck, veal, seafood, edible creatures from the sea or freshwater, including fish and shellfish, which are high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon, shrimp, tuna, crab, lobster, sardine, mussels, scallops, octopus, cod. Snacks. Light, often processed foods consumed between meals for quick energy or enjoyment. Popcorn, chips, pretzel, crackers, nachos, chocolate, candy, granola bar, nuts, cookies. Beverages. Liquids that are consumed for hydration, energy, or pleasure, ranging from water to caffeinated and flavored drinks. Water, coffee, tea, juice, soda, lemonade, milkshake, smoothie, iced tea, hot chocolate, milk, coconut water, energy drink, herbal tea, sparkling water, fruit punch, ginger ale, buttermilk, protein shake, mango lassi, Coca-Cola, Coke, Pepsi, tonic water, Fanta, Sprite, lassi. Spices and herbs. Plant-based substances used to flavor, color, or preserve food, often adding aroma or enhancing the taste of dishes. Salt, pepper, cinnamon, ginger, garlic, basil, thyme, oregano, rosemary, parsley. Miscellaneous foods. Prepared meals or mixed food items that do not fit neatly into other categories, often combining multiple ingredients. Pizza, burger, sandwich, sushi, pancake, waffle, soup, salad, omelette, tofu.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kiddos World TV. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.